Welcome to the Ram Live Recap. Today we're going to be talking about the top mounting solutions that we've developed for private aircraft.
Join our product experts, Ashley and Rick, as they showcase the latest and greatest that Ram mounts and GDS tech have to offer. Now let's get started.
We're outside of Galvin Flying in Seattle, Washington, so we can show you some of our solutions for fixed-wing aircraft. I'm sitting in a Cessna 182, and as you can see, there are a lot of different locations that you can mount your device to, but one of the most popular locations and the most popular mount that we make is the yoke clamp mount. This is a really great solution because it's easy to attach and remove, which comes in incredibly handy if you aren't actually the main owner of the airplane. It also has this ball that is positioned at a right angle. That's going to come in very handy, especially when you are mounting your device. It gives you so much room to adjust. Very adjustable and allows you to mount your device while still keeping your other controls visible. Our twist lock suction cup is a really great base if you are looking to mount to any non-porous surface like a windshield. This is a really great option if you're looking to mount a phone or a tablet with or without a case. For anyone looking to attach a larger device to your windshield, we recommend going with our twist lock pivot suction cup base. This combines two of our twist lock suction cups, which is going to create a very strong hold. But the great thing about this is that they move independently from each other. That's going to allow for a very strong hold on any non-porous surface that has even a curved shape. This is our glare shield clamp base. This is designed specifically to be mounted to a flat surface or lip, such as this glare shield. The really great thing about this is that you can actually unscrew it, turn it around, have the ball facing up. That's going to come in handy if you want to attach maybe a GoPro or some sort of action camera. Drop it down, you can attach a phone or something like that. This is our hose clamp base. This is an alternative to the yoke clamp base that I just showed you, and this is made to fit a yoke on a Bonanza, Beechcraft, or a throwover yoke. Here we have our Cessna seat rail base. This is a really great solution if you're looking to mount something and keep that device low and out of the way. It attaches to the seat rail. Very easy to attach your device as well. Drop in your arm and attach your device. Now we're outside of Atomic Helicopters, where we're going to show you some solutions that work perfectly inside of a helicopter. As you can see in this example, we have a Robinson helicopter, and the best solution or the best mounting location is going to be the windshield. Our twist lock suction cup paired with an iPad mini form fit holder is a really awesome solution because not only can you have your iPad mini attached to the windshield, you can also easily remove that and then replace it with a phone. The twist lock suction cup is incredibly strong and will work on any non-porous surface, but is really ideal for mounting to a windshield. In most situations, the single twist lock suction cup is going to really work perfectly for you. But if you're looking to mount a larger device to a curved windshield, I would recommend the dual twist lock pivot suction cup. Now, that's a really cool solution because it actually it's articulating. So both of the suction cups actually move independently from each other, which is going to allow you to attach to a curved, non-porous surface like these windshields here. Many of the solutions that I've showed you today will also work in a helicopter, which we're going to show you right now. Your higher-end helicopters are larger and therefore provide more locations for you to mount to. If you're not interested in mounting a suction cup to the windshield, you can opt for our yoke mount clamp. That's going to attach directly to the yoke and provide a very strong hold. That's going to hold a smaller device such as an iPad mini or a phone or a GPS. We also make a glare shield clamp. That's going to attach to the outer lip of the glare shield that goes over the control panel. Really secure and a really convenient mounting location. For a larger iPad model, we recommend using either our adhesive ball mount or a drill down option. Thank you for watching today's episode of the Ram Live Recap. If you like what you saw, please hit like, click subscribe, and if you'd like to be notified of future episodes, make sure you hit that bell.